Greetings, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity, and today I have some really cool collage books that I received just today in the mail. I found them online on Amazon and I want to share them with you. So I've got, both of them are from Rhapsody Hues. So if you look online, you can find them if you look up Rhapsody Hues, which is wonderful company that makes all kinds of books. I have several flip throughs on my channel. This is my newest one. This is Cristmas Fables for art journaling. It's background paper for collage art, card making, ATC, and junk journaling. So runs the gamut there. So you get a whole bunch of papers in here that are just awesome. So I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. So there's the name right there, Rhapsody Hues. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. I haven't opened these up yet, so I'm looking at them for the first time myself. Just gonna try to center it there on my screen. There you go. These pages are all, white, so they're nothing special on the left-hand side, which is fine, but just look how pretty these pictures are. Love the colors. It's almost like a rice paper, a little bit thin like that, so be very good with collage, but can also obviously be used with, scrapbook, used in a scrapbook, a journal, planner, if you card making, perfect size for like card making. Very cute. I'm going to try to go fast so I can get through both books. Oh, look at those colors. Pretty. Is that some vintage pictures too? So I'm just getting really into finding these collage books. It's kind of my thing right now. Having some flare up of my arthritic issue that I have. Some people don't know, I have several chronic illnesses that have been bothering me quite a bit lately. I was recently, this past year, diagnosed with Ehlers Danlos syndrome, which I've had all my life. Now I know why. I often end up with my joints being so messed up. They're arthritic, but they're also, go out of place, which if anyone that knows about Ehlers Danlos syndrome, it can be quite difficult to deal with because there's always something. And lately my shoulders have been really bothering me. Which is making my hands worse, and the arthritis in my hands is getting pretty bad right now. Today it's hard for me to even do, hold things or do things with my hands. So unfortunately I haven't been able to craft as much, and I really am sad about that because I love crafting this time of year. It's always my go-to thing to do, like Christmas cards and tags and decor, and I have tons of die cuts, and dies that I use to make all kinds of fun stuff. I've collected things for over a decade, so I've got a lot of in my stash, and it makes me sad I can't use it, a lot of it. So what's making me happy right now is to get to look at such beautiful artwork and designs and digital prints. There's a lot out there now, so when if you're in a slump or you're having a little bit of a creative block, this is one way to kind of boost your morale and make you feel a little better, is to get to see a lot of beautiful things. Because to me, crafting isn't just about making a product, it's about enjoying the beauty of what you're making. And got book is just really beautiful. Again, this is Rhapsody Hues. I found them online. You should be able to find them too. This was the most recent book they have for Christmas. Very, very pretty book. And the other book I got, this one's I think from last winter, but it's, you know, from the maybe from the beginning of this year, and it's just so beautiful too. This one just simply says backgrounds for art journaling and collage. Again, from Rhapsody Hues. Got it off Amazon. Oh, just look at that. Look at right away. It's like making me so happy to see the colors. I love the teal and the greens mixed with the peachy, pinky, or you know, purple. Oh wow, look at that purple. That's something. Wow, beautiful. You know, you have to understand what this is though. It's like, you know, for winter and like the things being frosty. And having all those colors mixed in, oh, it's just beautiful. But also would be good for, you know, decorating for Christmas. Oh, look at this. Oh, such a cute little child. All bundled up. It's cold here where I live, but it's not as cold as where my son is, so I feel for him. They're having like a blizzard, snowstorm at his college in New York and upstate, and I'm glad that I'm not there. That's all I can say, because although I'd love to see the snow. Snow is, you know, beautiful. I grew up in Maine and it was beautiful when it would snow there, but honestly, like, I'm just not wanting it now. It's raining here where I live and getting colder. It's been cold. A lot colder than it is usually this time of year. So I've been bundling up quite a bit and trying to just, you know, get through it, because with my issues, having bad weather is not, you know, easy. So yeah, so these are some really pretty designs that can be cut out. These are full page designs mostly, so, you know, here's, you know, some of them are doubled up, but if you have to cut them, you know, into different sections, so be it. You know, you could just have like this section just with this little cabin in there, part of this village. Look at the icicles. My son sent me a picture of icicles outside of his window of his apartment at school. And they were very long, like those on that picture. But, oh, I love the colors. So, this is very whimsical. Like a lot of the collage books that I'm showing on my channel, I like the whimsical look. More, you know, things that are like just very you know, like dreamy, like ephemeral, I think is the word for it. That's, you know, realistic but not totally realistic. So that's why I like a lot of these types of books, and I have a bunch of them on my channel. So if you haven't checked them out, you haven't subscribed, make sure you get a chance to do that, because I'll have more to come too. I'm hoping that within the next couple weeks I'll be able to focus more on a little bit of crafting, as much as I can do, as best I can do. All right, so those are two really cool books from Rhapsody Hues. Cristmas Fables, good for Christmas decorations, and Frosted Winter, which also can be used for winter decorations. So they're both very wonderful books, and I hope you get a chance to check them out. Look on my channel for a whole bunch of other really cool collage books that I know you'll love. So happy holidays, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Bye for now.